I went to the woods because I wished to live deliberately. I wanted to live deep and suck out all the marrow of life. To put to road all that was not life, and not when I came to be aged, discover that I had not lived. Wanting to take advantage of the spring weather at a campsite on Sanshan Valley in Chengdu, Philip, dressed in a casual linen shirt, is walking towards the tent that's been pitched already. And there inside the tent is Viki. Yes, that's me. On the grass, by the riverside, underneath the tent, people are bathed in the smooth sunlight, and the speaker is booming out background music for this cozy scene.
Hello everybody, my name is Philip and I'm from Poland. I'm a TikToker here in Chengdu. I sing songs on the streets and stuff like that. And this is...
Hello everyone, I'm Viki from Chengdu Plus. So Philip, you've already been in Chengdu for 7 years.
Yeah.
Have you seen this fun phenomenon? Like whenever the sun comes out, even if it's just a dim sunlight, people just catches every chance to enjoy this sunlight.
Of course, because Chengdu people are so-called sunflowers, 向日葵. They yearn for the sun, they love the sun. Easiest access to the sun is at the park.
If you have more means, you could...
Camping. So let's check this out.
Let's go.
Come on.
Have you ever camped?
Yes, I used to go a lot, like in Poland. A field or, for example, somewhere outside or in the mountains. Oh, mountains are the best. Wow, this is nice. Where did you find this place?
You know what? On Red.
Oh yeah, I know.
Red is basically everyday lifestyle guidebook.
Exactly, I use it too. If you're in China for such a long time, you have to use these things to get around. Oh, wow, it's already set up.
Compared to camping far out in the wilderness, what we are experiencing now is more accurately called glamping. Glamorous camping. Glamping has a long history. As early as 100 years ago, wealthy European and Americans would set up luxury tents while hunting in Africa, which were equipped with antique furniture, Persian rugs, luxury beddings, and so on. Later, American millionaires have made this wild luxurious journey more approachable, calling it glamorous camping, which has become a niche part of traveling in modern times. It is based on the requirement of the normal camping, and beyond that, with the equipment, it isn't just about practicality, it also reflects campers' taste for beauty. Glamping is more like living as a camper and a lifestyle. Tents, grassy fields, old-style canopies, colorful camping blankets, few lanterns, and even campfires. These are what camping is composed of. It is like a night in utopia. It is a romantic-sized picture of life and represents the pursuit of freedom. I believe that most of you have seen canopies all over your social networking platforms, right?
Hello，你们都到了吗？
哦
Everybody 这个是2个。
哎呀，
好了。
走嘛，一起
OK，
算。
来，
哦
我给你们拿点儿手冲咖啡的东西过来，你们可以在这儿煮点咖啡。
Nice. 可以，来。
可以。啊，这个交给你了。对。
哦，那我们平时就是出去露营的话，都是要自己带那些东西，但是这边都已经准备好了，好舒适哦。
因为我们这个地方就是给大家提供这样子一个环境，来感受glamping也好。
我是其实是在农村长大的，所以对于我来说，这根本不是露营，只是正常的生活而已。说我们在波兰，这我的老家，就差不多就是这种感觉，你晓得吗？
这种感觉这么精致啊！
就也不是说这么精致嘛，就你精不精致就看你家庭嘛，啊。
其实他说的很对啊，会做的精致，它不仅仅是比如说我们使用的装备，是可以在户外给大家设置一个非常舒适的一个环境，你的生活方式和以前是截然不同。
So what makes glamping more and more popular?
草坪蓝天，喝着这个就很舒服。现在年轻人我觉得就是喜欢这样子的方式呀，就出来走走，吹吹风，然后聊聊天，吃点东西就挺好的。
谢谢哈，
谢谢。
经常看到在街第一排，哇，为啥子成都人嘛好耍噻？都喜欢耍，这户外好安逸嘛，带着儿子过来。
我们是第一次来，小红书上看到的嘛，然后这个现在也很火，这边离成都市区很方便，很近。很适合大家一起过来玩呀，然后带孩子啊。
可以最喜欢的这边是啥子？
哇，你这个四川话讲的可以哦。这个湖吧，坐在这儿能够看到有水的地方，其实很舒服的。
我个人的一个爱好就是拍照，风景比较大，然后拍出来就很出片。生活中可能会有生活的压力、工作的压力，到这个露营地就是大家一起就来团建，心情会得到缓解，就会很舒服。
应该是在18年、19年的时候，有这么一批喜欢这种精致露营的玩家，他们通过社交媒体这种新鲜的一种玩法，通过这样的平台传递出去了。2020年的时候，我们自己会把它称之为叫做中国精致露营或者叫搬家式露营的元年。
During the National Day last year, tent campsite bookings on Fliggy increased by more than 14 times from the previous month. January of 2021 till now, there have been more than 450,000 articles mentioning camping on Red. During the national holiday last year, the volume of camping-related posts increased by 1,116% compared with the same period from the previous year. Statistics show that the numbers of campers in China has reached 360 million. The age group for that is between 21 to 45 years old.
又遇到疫情影响，可能大家不能出国旅游了，也不能出省去旅游，很多人就会选择这样子，让他们更轻易地走进自然的一种方式。这也很开阔，就是其实大家在户外，它受的拘束性或者这种局限制就会变得很少。这样子的户外的场景的话，又给大家提供了很好的交流的平台。
这种方式确实越来越流行了嘛，嘎。一些明星呢，他们会出去耍嘛，就是这样子耍。已经来了7年 ，7 years in China now， 然后我就会发现现在就是整个中国就是越来越精致。所以像比如说露营这种的地方，它现在也是越来越巴适。像以前7年前是看不到这种地方，嘎，很巴适，就真的是很像我的老家。
Recent years, Chengdu has been constructed different grades of greenways connecting over 1,100 parks of different kinds in the city. This has provided such healthy environment for the development of camping. Over 100 campsites that have been sprung up like mushrooms in the past 2 years, spreading out in the suburbs of the city, among the woods and mountains. People have started to set out from the city one after another to go camping together and build a new kind of temporary community life. All wandering people dream of peace, childhood, and azaleas. Just like all settled people fantasize about vodka, music bands, and partying. In any case, while having all nature available to us and getting to enjoy its beauty, we must always keep in mind to love and cherish nature, to learn its principles, and to live in harmony with it.